Welcome! Today, we're diving into how you can easily turn on notifications for add-to-post submissions on Instagram with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop whenever someone adds your posts to their stories or submissions, this quick guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the menu or hamburger icon, located at the top right of your screen. Tap that to open a side menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps all the options to customize your experience. Scroll down a bit until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Notifications are crucial because they keep you updated on everything happening with your account. Next, you'll see a list of different notification categories. Tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section controls alerts related to interactions with your posts and stories, including when someone adds your post to their story or submissions. Now, scroll down until you find Add to Post Submissions. This is the specific notification setting that lets you know when people include your posts in their submissions. Tap on it and select On to enable notifications. Once turned on, Instagram will notify you anytime your posts are added to someone else's submissions, so you never miss out on these interactions. That's it. You're all set to receive notifications for add-to-post submissions. This feature is great for staying connected and engaging with your community, especially if you use Instagram for business or content creation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check your notification settings regularly to make sure you're getting updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying connected on Instagram.